Good evening, YouTube. This is Quentin. We're in my mom's aunt's garage looking today at the Menards Linear. We're just in my mom's aunt's garage. I call it my Grant. Oh yeah, something like that. Well, officially my Grant's garage. Looking today at the Menards Linear, but it did not say Menards, just only Linear. Well, made by Menards, but as you can see, that's the lock switch that you can switch. Not a button, but a switch. And it does have a light button, see? As you can know that let's do the recording of the opening. As you can know, they got rid of what they had in this garage. They had their old garage door and opener. But as you can know, it's such of a snowy day out there. They used to have a Stanley garage door opener out here, but it's kind of old, so they got this one because their old one broke. But in this garage, they had a garage door that's green, but it's a wooden garage door that's kind of older. Okay, now without further ado, let's close it. Very quiet. Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna open the garage door one more time, okay? One last time. I'm sorry that their Stanley garage door opener is broken, and that's why they had a 5-piece wooden garage door. But as you can see, they used to have a wooden garage door, but it's kind of heavy. But they couldn't lift the door open because it's super heavy. And that's why they had their loud Stanley garage door opener, but it's broken. But the motor is broken. Something is wrong with the motor, okay? As you can see, lock switch. I know it's not the lock button, it's just a switch. Light works. And now let's close it. Very quiet indeed. Alrighty, I'm gonna post that video on YouTube. It's a really nice, smooth garage door opener. I'm just telling my dad, okay, to run the door one more time. Well, that's just already the last time. Okay, so I'll post that video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for the channel and take care, everyone. Bye.